Hello everyone, welcome to LeadWave. In the last video, we have seen how to create and manage these devices. In this small video today, I am going to explain you a module called single message. This module, you can test it to send a test message to your customers before generating a bulk campaign. So if you have created a template or if you are planning for a bulk campaign, how this message is going to loop on customer's phone, you can test this by sending message to only one number or a couple of numbers by using single messages. Just click on single message module, select your instance what you are scanned. Either you can write a mobile number here, or if you want to send messages to groups, you can select groups here. So we will test it both. I will write my mobile number here. I just paste my mobile number here. Just scroll down. In the message text, I'll write hi and click on send. Okay, so it has given you the confirmation. If you see on the mobile, it will show you the message has been received here. Okay, so we will test one more thing. Now instead of normal message, we'll try to send a template. So I have copy pasted the number here, scroll down. Instead of text messages, I have selected a template. I have created a template for button. I will select that and click on send. Okay, confirmation, we have got it. Okay, so sorry, the resolution of my phone is a bag, so that is why it is not looking good, but this is how the button looks. Okay, we also have a provision where you can send the message to single message module in the groups. When you click on groups, it will show you all the groups what you already part of, all you are admin. Select the particular group here. For example, this. Scroll down, go to text message, click on paste and select send messages. Okay, this is done. So this is how you're going to use a single message module. In the next video, I will explain you how to create templates. Thank you.